You're looking at a ELC Happyland station set. It's in very good condition. Comes with train and 2 carriages. Lots and lots of people, which are extras. You only get a couple with the set. You get the sign stating what station it is. And another bit with a clock and flowers hanging. Some gates where you can lift up and down to drive the car through and stuff like that. And then all the track. So this is what it all looks like once I've cleaned it all up. And now we'll get into a demonstration of what it can do with the train going and round the track. Hi everyone, how's it going? Hope you're all good. So today we've got a Happyland station bundle. Train set, car, lots of people, all stadiums and stuff to go around the edge, stuff like that. Train with 2 carriages. So not much to do on this one to show you, but I'll show you the train going round. You've seen the pictures at the beginning. That's after I cleaned it all up. This is as I took it out of the box. So let's see what it can do. Lift the little man up, put him down, and should off we go again. Probably going to stop the other side as well. Ooh, we've got a derailment. Man out. Reattach. Man in. Not really much more I can show you on this one. These lift up and down so you can drive the car through. You want to take the car for a spin. Literally just drive through if you want to drive through. So, I think you get the idea. Just thought I'd show this one. Did you have this one when you were growing up? Did you play with it for countless hours in the evenings after school and stuff like that? Do your children play with it now? Have you still got it in the loft? Please leave below in the comments your thoughts on these sets and stuff like that. And thank you very much for watching. I'll see you soon in another video. If you like what you see in my videos, please have a look in our eBay shop. The name is on the screen right now. And there's over 4,000 items in the shop of all sorts of different things. Please have a view and see what you can find.